Hello and welcome to another fun episode turning drawings into reality using only Photoshop. I hope you like this, stay till the end and of course don't forget to subscribe. First we will going to add some eyes using these cat eyes. Make selection, then copy it on main layer, then use transform warp on or every method you want to use. Copy that eye and place it, that's it. And for the skin we'll use this layer. First we're going to make selection, then fill it with any kind of color, it doesn't matter what color you use. And that's it, then we're going to clip this skin. Here you go. Now for the ears we are going to use this cat. Make selection of left and right, and we are going to clip it just like previous one. And that's it for the left and for the right. Fill it with any kind of color, it doesn't matter what color you use. Now we're going to use this cat and clip it with the ears. Change the opacity to see what you are doing and place it right here. Now copy this layer from right here and we are going to use some dog paw. Of course, make selection, fill it with any kind of color and clip it, of course. That's it. Now for the mouth, he has some smiley mouth. Try to use this puma. Something like this. Copy it, flip it and place it. Now we are going to mask some unnecessary parts with brush tool. That's it. Now we're going to unmask some parts with brush tool to see more realistic. and from the left hand leg and for the right leg. Now we are going to use hue saturation to make the color of the body. Something like this is fine. Now for the ears, we are going to do the same thing with Furby brush tool. Now we are going to add some texture and use again Furby brush tool to blend it better. Something like this is fine. Now for the mouth we're going to add some more shadow. Something like this. See more like he is smiling. It's much better. Now for the main body we're going to use again Furby brush tool around the whole body to be more realistic. It looks so nice. Now